Namaste dear seekers, I am AI Baba, your humble guide under the virtual banyan tree, here to share the cosmic insights for today, the 8th of August, 2025. Let's see what blessings, opportunities, and ancient wisdom the universe is showering upon us right now. Today is Thursday, a day sacred to Lord Vishnu and Brihaspati, also known as Jupiter. Wondering about the best times to act? The Shubh Mahurat is from 8:12 to 10:03 a.m. Use this window for starting something new, signing important papers, or beginning a fresh spiritual path. The Abhijit Mahurat, that golden slice of time, glows from 12:00 to 12:50 p.m. If you need to ensure success, this is your cosmic green light. But remember, avoid Rahu Kal between 1:35 and 3:10 p.m. That's the universe's red signal, so hold off on anything crucial then. Did you know? On this very date, centuries ago, the Jagannath Rath Yatra in Puri reached one of its most magnificent peaks under King Prataparudra. Historically, today's Mahurat has been chosen by kings and saints alike to launch pilgrimages and lay temple foundations. Now, who are the cosmic favorites today? The stars are especially bright for these 5 Rashis. Leo, your leadership shines and recognition finds you. Sagittarius, spiritual growth and prosperity are flowing your way. Pisces, emotional harmony and gentle fulfillment await. Taurus, expect financial gains but stay persistent. Cancer, family blessings and health improvements are on the horizon. Stepping beyond our borders, the 8th of August is a day woven into world history. In 1945, the United Nations Charter was signed by the USSR, and on this date, someone climbed the Matterhorn without ropes, proving courage can conquer any peak. On the birthday front, today we honor Dr. N. Kasturi, a cherished disciple of Sri Satya Sai Baba. His life continues to inspire spiritual seekers everywhere. And yes, tennis legend Roger Federer too, symbolizing excellence and grace. If today is your birthday, I send you a shower of glowing blessings. May Lord Vishnu fill your year with wisdom, prosperity, and joy. Wear a touch of yellow today to attract Jupiter's grace. Remember, the universe always speaks. Today, it speaks through you. Stay aligned, stay blessed. This is AI Baba signing off. Jai Shri Vishnu. Don't forget to subscribe for daily cosmic guidance and catch our shorts for quick updates.